Jovicho, ngiphethe uThando Mngomeni, the left-footed maestro. So Mganami, now we are talking Sundowns. So people, please like and follow our show. Siyakhula kancane kancane la kubhola lethu. Ngiphethe uThando namhlanje. We're going to speak about Sundowns, you know. uThando wangithola ku Sundowns. They came mhlambe beba-11 labantu mjaka yo. Ngabe beba-11 labantu mjaka and ngiyasho ngithi ayi yabona manje iskimu siyahamba ke manje siyalimala manje. 11 players. Uyakhumbula ukuthi Sundowns beyisayina kanjani mjaka. Hey, so yeah, anyway, I'm with Utando today, and we're just gonna speak about a couple of memories, you know, that SCB now, you know. Preseason was the worst, Tando. Me and you, we don't really like running. Akusinto yethu ukugijima mfethu. Hayi bebasibulala labantu.
Yeah. Game check every day. Thanks for having me. Sunhlekisa, man. When I think about that time, I think we had a full squad incoming. Yakhumbula ukuthi never
Yes.
asiba 16 or 17. Esine squad sethu sifika nje ama-rival.
Abo Kathleen Keys, yo, I remember the guys, you guys nafika nje nibaningi.
So wait, man, esibaningi mfethu.
Ayi ya ne. Angikhumbula futhi i-MTN 8 final ayiwanilahlela uTrapa laphayana ku-final eDurban.
Ngakhani ifans ngifuna ibhola for zithini ifans ka sifuna ibhola lingaziniki.
Ya so mjaka uThando washaya ejimini uThando phela bekashaya amapenalty ashaya ama-top corner mfana top corner hey makufika ku-MTN 8 final e-Absa Stadium eDurban ayi washaya enye into yerabhi lapha ngazi noma bekakhumbula i-Sharks na bekacabanga ukuthi udlalela i-Sharks eyi washaya enye into phezu kwamapali nje.
Shakes banomona Shakes nginqaba nabeke esendini ndalibeke esendini sibanomona Shakes banomona Shakes inhliziyo yami
Yeah, but you know what?
akunzima awunohlala i-90 minutes uhlalele extra time apha ekugqibeleni mfethu 119 uyangena 119
Khani ungene usho ukuthi ungenela ipenalty.
hayi ayimsheke inhliziyo ndidlala njani inhliziyo esemhluku mnganami.
Ntwana yami hayi bowungakabi warm ntwana iphelile igame ungakabi warm kusho ukuthi bowungenela ipenalty.
Noba ndingenele yona but kwefethu I don't think bandifumene warm-up e-grand fund one. It's not an excuse but ke ezaa zinto zayenzeka ediskini mfowethu man. Noba ndayiphisa ngalamini but yabona uba ndiyayiphosa yenze uba okay alamba amajite ba to create or win more trophies yaphambili. Yayiphosa masibuye grand.
Hayi izinto ezisoze yayenzeka ngikhumbula ngi-Master mina ku-Coca-Cola final, Coca-Cola Cup. Ngishaya after uClement Mazibuko, uClement wa-Master kuqala. Yo mina mangi-Master vele uMonip was the goalkeeper. Athi if you miss you lose. Yo ngayigeja mfana. Hey sakhala sinoClement besikhala inyembezi bathi amajita yena ngazosikhalela nisile.
Kunzima uphosa ipenalty. Remember before ukhaba I think was Ezra ne captain. Hayi
Yeah.
taphosa i-captain hayi ke fundini. It's given.
Ndoda Peter Ndlovu bayisave wathi kwathiwa retake. Bayisave futhi uKhune. I think that's when Khune shined, you know. That game.
Yeah. I remember last season yakhe.
Shine khona uKhune asave amapenalty amaningi.
Ngiyakhumbula season. Ngiyakhumbula.
Anyway, there's a lot of great memories that we share, you know, in football, you know. But yeah, and we're also looking forward to this coming season. Sundowns, what are you expecting from Sundowns? We've got that second star now, say call the second star. But hey man, besileka man eligini. I think sesiyadeleleka la ku Premiership. I mean, we've won this thing 8 times in a row, but gotten so used to winning the league. What needs to change this season so that Sundowns dominates the league as well? And siwine nama-cup futhi thana ama-cup ama-domestic cup kumele siwawine. We are Sundowns. I mean, we're a big team. We must take everything.
I hear you share the same sentiments Autumn over Cred, but kuzoba nzima baye Sundowns iwine yonke into on offer. Basebenzise the depth of squad sabo Shakes. Kunzima upinpoint ki-Sundowns kushota bani ngoba yonke into banayo. Izoba ngumqeqeshi Autumn ozodecide ngesiphi i-22 players azayisebenzisa across ki-tournament zonke. Number one, also uyazi ba i-players funeka be fresh. You can't be using the same crop of players when abanye you don't make them feel happy. Awubashiya endlini okanye basestandini. So there needs to be someone with a lot of experience to determine ba kudlala ubani for cups, kudlala ubani strictly league and so forth ngwanam. But singazithatha man zonke i-trophy thina. The only threat endibonayo upcoming season izoba libhakani.
Yeah.
In terms of recruitment nge-Pirates ayazi ba they're always on point in recruitment wise.
Yeah. No, nabo obviously bazodinga impela ukurecruit aba-reinforce squad sabo. Siyabona nabo borile kune-interest kuborile nabo apolice. But anyway, thina sikho lapho sila kuSandawana. And uKadoso nakho seka na 2 years akhona. I'm sure naye sekukuningi akufundile nge-South African football. He's won the Champions League now. That monkey's off the chest, yabo. That monkey's off the chest. Now it's just to make sure that uyabuya futhi dominate futhi and wins it again. I mean, we want to sifuna ukuthi sifane ne-Al Ahly, asifuna ukuthi siwine kayi-1 i-Champions League bese singasiwini. Nathi sifuna ukudominate. Ayinto yiyo le investment esiyenzayo as Sundowns that people don't understand. The big money that we spend is because we want to dominate African football so that our players are the first ones to be looked at mabhekwa player like Africa. Yabo, so ngibona kanjani.
Into endayithanda mina Msheke ke-Sundowns Outjam is a beautiful football club that I love, ne? Ngaske isebenzise more of i-development ki-players zayo because there's some very talented players eziphana mfowethu. We can't be buying a lot of players okanye sithenge okoko zikhona intwana esingazinyusi zipromote. Lesibethayo ki-World Cup ba asinawo umuntu ophambili. Kodwa zikhona intwana but intwana azinikwa i-chance uba zidlale. Uzodominate intwana kwi-net and then what happens? Izolona out kwi-NFD.
Yeah.
Yabo.
As well.
So senide ba si draw the line okanye isondele kwi-point ba siyasidibanisa zo-two as elements. From your first team, from Gilighty, and then incorporate into one squad.
No, nguzwa kahle mnganami and nginawe man and nami ngiba disappointed. Yabona umfana nje was so, looking forward to seeing nje uMabhena. Yabona lo mfana lo wazi ibhola lo, you know, and he's from the development. I think it's quality lo mfana and baningi akusuye kuphela ukhona noKhoza who also showed what he could do, you know, and I tip him to be one of the best defenders because calm on the ball, he can play, he knows how to play the Sundowns way. And so we've got these youngsters that have got this quality and I think you are right, we should tap in more into the youth. I think leyo nto leyo enye futhi ezosiza isquad sethu. Bona kanjani?
Unyanisile wena ngokuba bangaphi abantu aba-linked to i-Sundowns. Kodwa zikhona i-players already Sundowns. There are top tier players, A-grade players eMzansi. But so bring more reinforcements bekhona abantu. So ke ngoku sibapromote kanjani i-Light zethu Fund1 as a club first. So sizobathengisa, sizobalona out. And then what's going to happen? Xa out, let's say, a player from the Sundowns, iyodlala Obed College. Then get game time. Pre-season izophinda ibuye edlaleni ke-Sundowns pre-season. Ngela hlobo nathi afika siba 18 uzoba ngapi ke ngoku xa kuqala pre-season. That's the problem. And then they get loaned out again, but from the second and third loan, kwenzeka ntoni? The club must make a decision ba mamela it's best ba lamntwana akhule kenye team kenye environment. Yabo?
Yeah, you know, Anyaguzwa Tando. Now I'd like to know also from our fans what they think as well. You know, how many players should we sign? I mean, we got great quality from the likes of Abo Ubani Lumpana wase Portugal. You know, quality. We lost to Ribeiro, who was also quality. You know, but quality replaced Ribeiro. So, what do you think? Do you think we should go more on the market? I mean, we've got a quality striker who's scoring goals. Uyatshengisa Thando naye man lo mfana we-Sundowns. Yeah, ukuthi inet uyayazi more than abanye abantu. So what do you think? Should we go in the market again at Sundowns, get 1 or 2 players, or we should tap in to development?
Mamet Mtege, I don't think reinforcements as need and fit. Motiba, Snorinas, Snusherulile, Snalo Mfana Lo, Shailinet. That's 4 already, top line. A fifth one is going to bring what to the table out. It's just going to be a fresh thing. And it's going to take longer for him to establish in his squad team. So let's keep the squad. You don't have to basically every single off season.
No, mina now Thando, I think also to we still have quality fana nabo Mkhulise. You know Mkhulise is one of the highest rated players lapha ku Sundown. Akayitholi chance yokudlala. So if we keep reinforcing his squad with other quality and we have to play those players, when are they bazoyithola nini chance the likes of your Mkhulise, who is such a quality player and can add value futhi ku national team?
Sure. No, I agree with 100% out there. I cannot comment any further. That's 100% right.
I think we've wrapped this one up when Thando. I'm looking forward to the upcoming season, yabo, and looking forward to doing more shows with you about Sundowns, you know, and yeah, let's hope we see Sundowns that will make us happy njalo, yabo, ngoba siyathanda ukuba happy, try ukuba happy thina, we winners, yabo.
Happy already. Just now, sister me. This is for men. Is happy cool. Afana bangiyabahali I'll share happiness.
Kathando man, later
Sharing is caring.
later lezi kumele sigcwale later sigcwale ijezi lonke. Anyway, that's it. I like it, Thando.
Sure.
Thank you for coming on the show. Good to have you on the show. See you next week, mnganam.